Today we're diving deep into the SwellPro FD2 Fisherman MAX, a heavy-lift waterproof fishing drone designed for serious anglers. It boasts an IP67 waterproof rating, a massive 7-pound bait capacity, and a 1.5-kilometer casting range, all supported by a 4K camera and auto-return. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's explore how this specialized drone performs when put to its intended tasks. Its heavy lift capacity truly helps anglers transport significant bait weight far out, greatly enhancing chances for larger catches. The IP67 waterproof rating and robust build make it highly suitable for surf casting and operation in challenging, wet coastal. While featuring a 4K camera for real-time fish spotting, its imaging prioritizes utility over cinematic quality, designed for practical use. Despite its foldable design, this drone remains substantial, making it less convenient for frequent, light travel than smaller consumer models. This drone is engineered specifically for fishing and bait delivery, excelling in those tasks. Considering its specialized capabilities, let's assess how the cost stacks up. Its unique combination of IP67 waterproofing, heavy lift capacity, and long casting range presents a feature set hard to find elsewhere. SwellPro has established itself as a leader in waterproof drones, inspiring confidence in their specialized engineering and reliability for marine. In its niche, very few direct competitors offer the same blend of ruggedness and fishing-specific capabilities, making its value unique. As a specialized, high-end tool, significant discounts are generally less common compared to mainstream consumer drones. Expect to pay near. This drone's price point reflects its highly specialized, robust design. Even with robust features, it's crucial to understand any potential risks. The IP67 waterproof design ensures strong protection against water and dust, significantly reducing damage risk from environmental exposure during use. Features like auto-return and strong wind resistance bolster its reliability, helping prevent loss or uncontrolled flight in adverse conditions. SwellPro offers dedicated support, though the availability and speed of service might vary compared to larger, more consumer-focused drone brands. While capable of heavy lifts, successfully operating with a significant payload requires piloting experience to manage the drone safely over. While robust safety features like waterproofing and auto-return are present, flying heavy payloads over water still. The SwellPro FD2 Fisherman MAX is ideal for shore anglers who need to deliver heavy bait or specifically require a waterproof drone for marine environments. Beginners, or those primarily seeking cinematic footage, should look elsewhere. Ultimately, this drone is a significant investment justified only if its unique fishing payload and waterproof capabilities are your absolute priority.